Dear contest holder, first of all, take my greetings, and the video is just for you so that I can let you know what I understand about your project. I am MD Alal from Bangladesh. I read the full description of your project where you want a part-time job portal website, so I want to hand over this website. This is my entry, so click and open. This is the mockup of your website, and now open the second picture. Yeah, this picture is really amazing. This is the link of your complete website. So just copy this link and open another tab. Before paste the link and go to the website. Yeah, we are successful visiting your website. This is a demo logo, so I need your organization logo for this website, and some page such as home, job, candidate, and user login or sign up for this website. Job search can be done by job keyword here. Here job categories will show, and by the map the candidate will be able to find the job next to him. Job of each category will be shown here, but now there is no job, so the show did not. And this is the job listing as you wanted it to show the main function of the job here.